This is Redsquadron4. Thanks for taking part in limited single box break number 12. The time is 11:27 on October 4th, and we have the box and the two bonus cards listed in front of us. The two bonus cards are Vinny Cavalier number 599, 2010-11 Luxury Suite Game Used Swatch. That's going to go to the person who won the most teams, and today it's 9866 Gil with 7 teams. Congratulations, 9866 Gil, who won 7 teams today. The next bonus card, little draft day tandems, again Ladone. This is going to go to one of the teams that does not catch a hit later on. Here is our serial number. Where's our serial number? There we go. Good luck, everybody. The first card for the Buffalo Sabres, number 299, Ryan Miller. Number 71 of 99. Ryan Miller, Buffalo Sabres. The next card for the LA Kings, number 7 of 25, retired numbers of Luc Robitaille. Beautiful looking card. 7 out of 25. LA Kings, nice two-color prime patch there. Wow, so a good looking box. The next box, number 41 to 99, banner season for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. Single color, but either way, 41 out of 99, Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. The next card, wow, is a Joe Colborne, Toronto Maple Leafs Phenoms autograph. This is numbered 37 of 299. Next card for the Detroit Red Wings, a number 10 out of 299. Banner season, Pavel Datsyuk. 10 out of 299. Looks like the second to last card, numbered 289 out of 299 for the Dallas Stars, Mike Ribeiro. There's the number there, 289 out of 299. Dallas Stars, Mike Ribeiro. And the last card is the grade 8 Alex Ovechkin, a number 172 out of 299 base card. So, I'm going to go into, just going to use random.org to take out the teams that have received hits, figure out who's going to get the draft day tandem. So Washington is out of that. Detroit with that Datsyuk is out. Edmonton, who won that Jordan Eberle, they're out. Ryan Miller and the Buffalo Sabres are gone. Dallas Stars with that Mike Ribeiro, they're going to be removed. The Maple Leafs and that Phenoms Joe Colborne, they will be removed. And the Los Angeles Kings with that Luc Robitaille, they will be removed as well. All right, kids. So, you'll see here is the list. I've removed those teams. Good luck. I'm going to randomize it 3 times. team on the top wins that bonus card. 1, 2, and for the last time, Minnesota Wild. Minnesota Wild, congratulations, you get the Iginla Dome bonus card. Thanks everybody for participating. There is going to be another break on tomorrow evening. It's already been posted, and have a look at the divisional draft. $45, you get a full division for 2 boxes. Pretty good price. Thanks.